a vulture that can film. This is the great turtle arabada. Only so much can be seen from the air. Spy turtle is here as our eyes on the ground. Turtles lay above the high water mark, so first our spy must climb the beach. Spy turtle is soon in prime position. Her flippers become scoops. Each egg is carefully placed. She must bury them quickly. They're what the vultures were waiting for. Spy turtle needs backup, a clutch of hidden cameras. There are so many turtles, every spot has been taken. Eggs of previous visitors are batted away like ping pong balls. Straight into the mouths of the vultures. They finally get their reward. But all is not lost. Beneath the sand, enough eggs will survive to produce the next generation.